You made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me?
Now I've been trying to get out here for the past couple of days to get my porch ready for spring, but this weather wouldn't let me be great. It's been raining, and I got the little rabbit. I got that from Cyrus, a plane flying over. Okay, I got the bunny from the $5 spot at the Dollar Tree, and the 2 lanterns, I've had them. They've been in the garage. And the hydrangeas, I got those a few years back. So everything over there, I've already had. The boxwood ball that came from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. The pot that it's in came from Walmart about 3 years ago. And then the doormat, I ordered that off of Amazon. I've had it for almost 2 years now, maybe 3. It's a matte insert. I like that because I can change the inserts. Now the front door, I made a wreath using peonies and some hydrangeas. Everything on that wreath I already had. There was nothing purchased new for this. This is all in my stash. Now I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna give you a view of my spring front porch. The flag, the wind has it going, y'all. The wind won't let me be great. Okay, here's the flag, the front door. Go this way and you'll see my little rabbits. They're right under the doorbell. So let me know what you think of my small front porch decor for spring. Trying to step my game up a bit, but I'm trying to do it with a no spin. So how can that work together, huh? But the only thing new on this porch is the little rabbit. Everything else I already had. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.